Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. 𝐶𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀, and before I proceed on, please do join me for the live trading every single day from 10 to 11. Today we have given a Bank Nifty put for a buy. I think 37,400 put we have given for a buy, and it gave a beautiful breakout. A lot of people made a lot of money, and yesterday or Friday I had given a Nifty put. Even today um, in my premium channel, I have given Nifty and Bank Nifty put both. So see here, this is, I can show you in the premium group, we have given Nifty put and we have given Bank Nifty put, and both of them gave huge amount of money. And let's discuss now, how does Nifty looks. So first and foremost, look at this candle which was formed on 19th. On 19th, it was super bearish, right? Because 3 days it engulfed completely. Today again, Nifty gave a gap down opening. It's kind of a confirmation that Nifty may continue the momentum for some more days. At least about in this week, I believe that the stance is going to remain negative. But we need to be careful. Nifty looks more negative with respect to the Bank Nifty. Now let's talk about where did I trade it, when did I give the trade in Bank Nifty. So I'm going to use 5 minutes time frame. Right here, when the retracement happened, I'll show you. This is where I have given a buy. Let me just show you once again back. It's at about 9:29, right? 9:29 means 9:30. Around 9:30, when the price was retested, when price gave a breakout, went up, and there was this doji that was formed. That is when I gave a PE for a buy. And after that, the P was just continuously kept on sliding, and it fell almost like 230, 170 points from this point itself. So huge drop that has come into Nifty. And similarly, we had another, in case somebody's, like smart people could have taken another trade at this point when the Nifty went up, retested the levels, and then it came down. So beautiful trade. Twice Nifty gave, in fact, I would say 3 times Nifty gave beautiful sell trades. But it was, very clear from the morning itself that Nifty is not going to be positive. So now, what does it look? Where do we think it is going to go further? So first support, in case Nifty continues to fall, I feel will come at 17,400, and after that the next support is going to be at 17,177, and if that is broken, then 1700 is going to be the next support. Okay, now let's have a look the same thing with respect to the option chain. If you have a look at the option chain, this is Bank Nifty. Let me check the Nifty. In Nifty, if you have a look, there is a huge amount of call writing, in the money call writing at the level of 17,500. So 17,500 is definitely not going to be broken in case you don't see some unwinding happening at these levels. There's a huge call writing at 17,600, a very strong resistance, then 17,700, again a huge resistance. Support comes at 17,500 only, and 17,400. 17,500 and 17,400 are going to be strong support zones. So now in the live market, you need to see how the price is moving, how is the international market moving. All of it will give us a good trade in the indexes. Now, let's have a look at Bank Nifty. How did Bank Nifty perform? Somehow, I am finding Bank Nifty slightly more positive than Nifty. Although the stance has been almost similar, Bank Nifty also had a bearish engulfing candle on 19th, again a gap down opening, and further it went in the downward direction. Okay, now Bank Nifty also gave beautiful trades the entire day. Every time it went up, it was sell on rise. It was every time it went up. This was the most beautiful trade. The sellers got activated in this particular candle. Have a look at this candle. This is open equal to high candle. I'm using 5 minutes time frame. Open equal to high candle. The sellers got activated, then it went down, it went up again, and check, it retested these levels that have been formed by Bank Nifty at about 9:25, 9:30, and 9:55. And after that, again a beautiful breakdown came all, and it went down almost like 200 point, 225 points from this higher levels. So Bank Nifty also looks pretty much negative only. And let's talk about Bank Nifty's level with respect to first by the price action and then by the option chain. So the first level that looks to me promising is 37,800. That looks a reversal zone. And then 3700, 280. These are the levels. And let's have a look at with respect to the uh, option chain. How is it looking in the option chain? If you have a look at the option chain, there's been huge call writing at the level of 38,300, and the put writing, there has been in the money put writing, quite a lot of in the money put writing. So that simply says that support is going to be strong in Bank Nifty with respect to the Nifty. So Bank Nifty looks slightly on a better place than Nifty, but let's see tomorrow morning. And do join me for the live trading, because as I told you, we trade every single day and we ensure that you all make good money. And the link of that you will find in the description box. But Nifty and Bank Nifty, both of them look as of now negative, but Nifty looks more negative than Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty has a support at 38,300, quite a strong support. But if 38,300 is broken, then 38,000 can be easily seen. So this is how my analysis of Bank Nifty is. But as far as the stocks are concerned, right now I'm not feeling very comfortable on the buy side stock, and I try to find out only in the live market. Only one stock that's on my radar, which looks good, is Sun TV, and just about Sun TV. There's no other stock that I can say confidently is looking good. At this point of time, only Sun TV, which looks good to me. So we can look for a buy opportunity in Sun TV above 505. And another stock that was looking good to me was Dixon, but above 4120. So these are the two buy stocks. Otherwise, Nifty, Bank Nifty both look negative, and I'll remain on a sell side until the level of 38,500 is broken in Bank Nifty, and in Nifty, a level of 17,700 is broken. Until those levels are broken, I'm going to be bearish in the market. Let's see tomorrow in the live market. And please, in case you're liking our work, in case you made money along with us, please give a thumbs up, and all the best. See you in the market tomorrow. Take care.